Agile project management thrives in environments of uncertainty and change, making risk management an essential component. Unlike traditional methodologies, Agile emphasizes iterative development, rapid feedback, and adaptability, allowing teams to address risks dynamically as they emerge. This article explores how to manage risks effectively in Agile projects, focusing on techniques tailored to changing conditions. The nature of risk in Agile projects. In Agile, risks are inherently tied to the iterative and flexible nature of the methodology. The frequent delivery of small increments and ongoing stakeholder engagement expose risks early, but the dynamic environment also means risks can evolve rapidly. Key risk categories in Agile projects include 1. Scope changes. Frequent reprioritization of features can lead to scope creep. 2. Technical risks. Adopting new technologies or managing dependencies may introduce unforeseen issues. 3. Resource risks. Changes in team composition or stakeholder involvement can disrupt progress. 4. Time constraints. Iterative sprints may fail to meet deadlines if risks aren't managed proactively. 5. Market risks. External factors like shifts in customer demand or competitor actions can impact project direction. Principles of Agile risk management. 1. Iterative identification. Risk assessment should occur at the start of each sprint and be revisited during sprint reviews and retrospectives. 2. Prioritization. Agile frameworks, such as Scrum or Kanban, encourage prioritizing tasks. Risks should be assessed and managed based on their potential impact and likelihood. 3. Transparency. Risk discussions must be open, encouraging team members to identify and communicate risks without hesitation. 4. Adaptability. The Agile mindset emphasizes flexibility, allowing teams to pivot in response to emerging risks. Steps to manage risks in Agile projects. Risk identification. 1. Conduct risk brainstorming during sprint planning sessions. 2. Use tools like risk checklists or SWOT analysis to identify potential risks. 3. Involve the entire team, including stakeholders, to ensure comprehensive risk coverage. Risk assessment. 1. Use simple Agile-friendly frameworks like the risk matrix to evaluate the likelihood and impact of each risk. 2. Rank risks using techniques such as Moscow, must-have, should-have, could-have, won't-have, or risk-scoring methods. Risk prioritization. 1. Integrate risk management into the product backlog. 2. Create risk-related user stories to address and mitigate high-priority risks during sprints. 4. Risk mitigation. 1. Proactive mitigation. Plan tasks or allocate resources to reduce the likelihood of risks before they occur. 2. Contingency plans. Develop fallback options for risks with a high impact. 3. Example. For technical risks, allocate spikes, time-boxed research tasks, to explore solutions. 5. Monitoring and control. 1. Use daily stand-ups to monitor risks and discuss their status. 2. Continuously update risk registers and reflect on them during sprint reviews or retrospectives. 3. Utilize visual tools like Kanban boards to track risk-related tasks. 6. Communication. 1. Foster a culture of transparency where risks are discussed openly. 2. Regularly share risk updates with stakeholders during sprint reviews or through status reports. 3. Use Agile artifacts like burn-down charts to visualize progress and potential delays. 7. Learn and adapt. 1. Document lessons learned about risks during retrospectives. 2. Adjust strategies based on the outcomes of previous sprints to better handle future uncertainties. Risk management tools for Agile projects. 1. Risk registers. Adapt traditional risk registers for Agile by keeping them lightweight and integrated into sprint planning. 2. Kanban boards. Use columns to visualize and track risks, such as identified, mitigating, and resolve. 3. Burn down and burn up charts. Monitor risks affecting timelines and progress. 4. Agile-specific software. Tools like Jira and Trello allow for dynamic tracking of risk-related tasks. Case study. Managing risks in a software development Agile project scenario. A software development team using Scrum identified a technical risk involving integration with an external API. Approach. 1. During sprint planning, the team added a spike to investigate the API and its documentation. 2. Risks were discussed daily in stand-ups to track progress and flag new challenges. 3. A contingency plan was developed to use a mock API in case integration failed. 4. The risk mitigation strategy was reviewed during the retrospective, and lessons learned were documented for future sprints. Outcome. The proactive approach allowed the team to integrate successfully without delays, demonstrating the effectiveness of Agile risk management. Benefits of Agile risk management. 1. Early risk detection. Continuous iterations expose risks sooner than traditional methodologies. 2. Flexibility. Agile's adaptability ensures risks can be managed dynamically. 3. Improved collaboration. Regular communication among team members and stakeholders fosters shared ownership of risk management. 4. Enhanced project outcomes. By addressing risks early, Agile teams can deliver high-quality results on time and within scope. Conclusion. Risk management in Agile projects is not a separate activity but an ongoing, integrated process. By identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks iteratively, Agile teams can navigate changing conditions effectively. Emphasizing transparency, collaboration, and adaptability ensures that risks are managed proactively, contributing to project success in dynamic environments.